make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'll surrender it.
Hi everyone, I hope you are well and having a really lovely day today as always. Today I thought I would share with you all of the things I have bought throughout quarantine. So far. Let's be real, quarantine has not been easy whatsoever, and I feel like a lot of people can relate. We've all spent quite a bit of money on stuff that we probably don't really need or didn't consider buying before all of this happened, and I've definitely got some of those here, I'm not gonna lie to you. I also have quite a few things which were gifted to me from my friends. We all made Amazon wish lists and bought each other presents, so I have included those in this haul. I technically didn't buy them, but I've bought them things in return, so I'm going to include them anyway because I just wanted to share them with you. There is one thing missing from this haul video. I actually missed the delivery yesterday, so I'm really annoyed about it, but I will insert a photo so you guys can see what it is, because it is really, really cool, and I'm sure you guys will see it in future videos, but I cannot wait to film this video any longer, so I thought I would just film it anyway, regardless of it not arriving yet, but I will get onto that in a minute. So with that rambly introduction out of the way, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and carry on watching. So the first thing that I bought throughout quarantine is a skipping rope, and this is so boring and really kind of plain and not that exciting, but I wanted to share it with you anyway because I do want to get into skipping. I don't like running, I hate it, so I needed a different kind of physical activity to do to kind of make me lose a little bit of weight and tone up a bit, and I thought skipping would be a great option. I found this one on Amazon. Again, it was £8, so not overly expensive, but yeah, that's basically it. Nothing too exciting, but I bought a skipping rope. Similarly, on the fitness side of things, I also bought some protein powder. Now this one is a meal replacement, and I'm not going to promote skipping meals or replacing meals, but I don't eat 3 meals a day anyway. If I eat breakfast, I probably wouldn't have a lunch, and I know that's not healthy and I definitely wouldn't suggest it, but I just don't get hungry, and I feel like if I eat 3 meals a day, I don't eat my dinner, so it just seems like such a waste. So I usually have breakfast and then like a snack at lunchtime, like something quite small, and then I'll have dinner and actually eat my dinner. So I got these to have for my lunches instead of having like a chocolate bar or a packet of crisps or something. The chocolate flavour is okay, it's not the best. I have tried the cookies and cream one, which is delicious, but they just didn't have it when I ordered it, so I got chocolate, and it's alright. It's okay, it's not bad. But yeah, I got some of this basically. Really not that exciting, but I thought I'd show it to you anyway because I got it, so yeah. Finally, on the fitness side of things, I actually have bought some roller skates. Now, these are the things I don't have yet because I missed the delivery yesterday. Even though I was in all day, they just didn't knock loud enough, and I think my mum was hoovering at the time, so we didn't hear it. So I think they're coming back tomorrow. But like I said, I just wanted to film this video now to get it up and get it sort of going. But I will insert a photo of which ones I got, or a video clip if I get them before this video goes live. I will insert a video clip so you guys can see them. They are the most beautiful skates ever. They're purple and orange, and I'm so excited to go skating. Me and my 2 friends Zoe and Sarah have all got roller skates now, so we're gonna thoroughly enjoy that when we can go out together, and instead of going on walks we're gonna skate around. So that's basically why we got them. It was really random and on a whim, but I'm obsessed with them. I am so excited to get my hands on them and put them on and skate about. But yeah, they're from a brand called Moxie Skates, or is that the brand name? I can't remember. They're called Moxie Skates. They're not cheap, I'm not gonna lie. However, we all did so much research before buying these. I think we were researching skates for about 2 weeks before we all bought them, so it's definitely worth looking into, but it was something that we really wanted to kind of keep doing, so we all kind of spent a little bit of money and got some really nice skates. So yeah, very excited to wear those, very excited to skate about and fall over, but I will keep you updated with all of the adventures that we go on, and I will probably post a lot about it on my Instagram. So go follow me on Instagram if you don't already, because yeah, I'm loving posting on there at the moment. So if you don't follow me on there, please do, and you'll probably see me in my roller skates, which is very exciting. The next item is a pair of leggings, and these I have seen absolutely everywhere on Instagram at the moment. I am obsessed with them. They look a little bit weird off, I'm not gonna lie, but on they are so flattering, so comfortable, and they're meant to be really good for cellulite, although I'm not really too sure how accurate that is, but they are comfortable, and I would definitely recommend them, and I have got a lot of compliments on them. So they cost around around $29, so probably about £25. They are a really lovely quality and I am absolutely loving these so far. So I will let you know how long these kind of last and if the quality is really, really good. But so far so good. I'm loving them and they're really comfortable. So the next item is a haircut item, and that is castor oil. Now, super random, I know. I got this from Amazon. It was £11. If you guys know me, you will know that I have wanted to try and grow my hair for the longest time. However, I always seem to struggle. I don't know if it's because it's bleached or what. I have no idea. I don't dye my hair often. The last time I had it dyed was December, so I don't know why it doesn't really grow very quick. I'm not too sure, but I wanted to give castor oil a go anyway because I've not tried it, so there's no more reasoning for this one. Just wanted to give it a go. Moving on to two skincare items. The first one is a tissue mask, and one of my friends sent me this from my Amazon wish list. I love tissue masks. I am a really big face mask advocate, especially sheet masks and things. I don't really like the normal face mask so much. I'm just a little bit lazy with it, and I like that I can just pull this off, pop it in the bin, and Bob's your uncle. So yeah, absolutely love these. I've used these before, so I'm glad to have another one because it is just so good. I love this one. If you guys saw one of my recent videos, you will know that I have been obsessed with TikTok recently, so I had to get my hands on the Ordinary facial peel. I've spoken about this in my favourites. I love it so much. I'm not going to go on about it too much in this video, but it is very good. Unless you've got sensitive skin, I wouldn't recommend it, but if you don't and you're a bit older, then I would really, really give this a go. It's so lovely and makes my skin feel so, so soft as well. I believe this was about £6, so not overly expensive. I think postage might have been about £4, so £10 is not bad, especially if you want to buy a few things. It's definitely more worth it. So have a look at The Ordinary. I actually really, really like them, and I have a few friends that use their brand anyway and really love the products, so definitely a brand to have a look at, and the packaging is just really satisfying and aesthetically pleasing. So yeah, another bonus for that. A few makeup bits I've got recently. The first one is the Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer in the shade 1 Fair. Again, I was gifted this from my friends. It was on my Amazon wish list. I've used it before. I think everybody and their mum has used this before, so I'm not going to talk about it for very long, but it's a great concealer, gets rid of dark circles, and it's not overly expensive, so definitely a 10 out of 10. I have bought two eyeshadow palettes throughout quarantine. The first one is the Jeffree Star Morphe palette. Absolutely love it. I've been using it basically every time I've worn makeup in quarantine so far. The colours are unreal. The greens are a little bit iffy. I'm not really too sure how I can pull off green eyeshadow, but I will give it a go. But yeah, absolutely love this, and I think I got it for about £21, something like that. It was on offer when I got it, so I would definitely check out the Morphe website and see if it's still on offer because it's so nice. The second palette that I bought was actually out of stock for a really long time. However, it came back in stock and I bought it straight away, and that is the Jeffree Star Shane Dawson Conspiracy palette. Now, this was out of stock for the longest time, but when we saw it was back on stock, me and two of my friends bought it. It's stunning. I can't talk about this enough. It's just a really lovely palette. It comes with such a lovely range of shades. The packaging is stunning. It is a little bit chunky, I'm not gonna lie, but it's unreal. Like 10 out of 10 would recommend, and I love Jeffree Star's eyeshadows. They are really, really good quality, so would recommend this. I think it's still available as well, so have a look online. I think we got this from Beauty Bay. Was it Beauty Bay? I think it was Beauty Bay, so have a look on Beauty Bay. I think it's still in stock, so if it is, definitely get this one. So the next item I bought definitely wasn't cheap, but I really, really, really wanted it, and I bought this at the start of quarantine. It was the first thing I bought, and that is my Nintendo Switch. Yes, I bought this because I wanted to play Animal Crossing with my friends. I am obsessed with it. It's in my favourites video. I have not stopped playing this. I play this every single day. I love Animal Crossing. It's the hardest game to describe. I was trying to describe it to some of my friends the other day, and I was like, there's not really a point to Animal Crossing. You kind of get an island and you make it all nice, but like, it's just so good. I have got a 5-star island now, so I'm buzzed about that. But yeah, Animal Crossing is so good, and my Switch is so much fun. I got it in the teal colour. I love the new coral one, but I didn't want to wait a month to get it, so I went with the teal, and I'm obsessed with it. So yeah, 10 out of 10 would recommend a Nintendo Switch. I know they're expensive, but like I said, if you've got an Argos card, you can pay for it throughout a few months, so it's less expensive. So definitely an investment. I love it. The next item was another one which my friends kindly got me from my wish list, and it is this little flounder statue. I am obsessed obsessed with him. I believe this is part of a collection and it's kind of on the tip of my tongue. Is it the Traditions? I think it's called Disney Traditions. I'm not too sure, but I absolutely love him. I have a Mickey Christmas one that my auntie and uncle got me for Christmas, but I saw this on Amazon and I was like, he is adorable. I'm absolutely in love with him. I think he's about £14 or £10, somewhere in between that. He is really, really sweet and he takes pride on my shelf because he's just so cute, and The Little Mermaid is my all-time fave film, so love that. And last but definitely not least are things, again, which my friends bought me from my Amazon wishlist, but I am going to whiz through them because they kind of all fit together. I have always wanted to get into scrapbooking. I don't know what it is, but I absolutely love it. My friend Holly's scrapbooks are unbelievable and I really, really love the way she's done them, and I really wanted to do scrapbooking. So when me and my friends were all sorting out our Amazon wish list, they were like, why don't you put some scrapbooking stuff on your wish list? And I was like, that's such a good idea. So I am going to whiz through all the things they got me. I'm so excited to get started and print off some pictures and kind of make a scrapbook. So the first things are some tapes. So I absolutely love these. These black and white ones are stunning, so pretty, and then these are just loads of colourful tapes, really cute to go around the corners of photos. Then we have some double-sided tape to obviously stick the photos down on the paper. Love that, really useful. Next up are some stickers. So I have some really adorable Mickey Mouse stickers and also a Disney sticker book, which is so nice. I don't want to use them because they're just stunning. Like, I cannot even deal. Yeah, really, really love those. They have some beautiful options in here, and I just thought these would be really cute for my Disney trips, and when I want to put my Disney trips in my scrapbook, I thought these would be stunning to pop in there. And finally, obviously, I needed a scrapbook, so I got this really lovely black one which came with photo corners and some really lovely pens as well. I'm just so excited to put some memories in here, and yeah, I just love being creative, and things like scrapbooks, I really, really love them. So I'm really excited to finally be able to start scrapbooking and print off some pictures, and yeah, I'm just really thankful. So thank you girls, if you're all watching this video, for everything. I loved doing our Amazon wish list, and I think that we should just continue doing it because I loved buying you all presents too. So yeah, thank you very much. So that is everything for this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy. I know that I didn't need to buy all these things, but it's things I've bought over the past 8 to 10 weeks, so it's not been kind of all in one week or anything. I have just been really enjoying buying myself a few things here and there and buying my friends stuff too. So yeah, let me know down below if you guys have bought yourself anything through quarantine. I'd love to know, and I'd love some more inspiration of things to buy myself next month because payday's just around the corner. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!